My 2 cents means giving your opinion, usually in a humble way. For example, here are my 2 cents on this topic.
A pit stop means a short break during a journey or activity, usually to rest or eat. She made a pit stop at a bakery before heading to a movie. Spoilt for choice means you have so many good options that it's hard to decide which one to pick. Example, at the buffet, I was spoilt for choice with dozens of delicious dishes.
Ride the wave means go along with what's happening. Example, I didn't plan the party, but I decided to ride the wave and enjoy it.
Go off on a tangent means talking about something unrelated. Example, we were talking about work, but she went off on a tangent about her favorite movies. Play the long game means planning or acting with a focus on future. For example, golf every day may feel slow, but Ram is playing the long game for mastery.